What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So before the small correction today, I've shared some charts on my Twitter account. The same charts was shared in the VIP Discord, and also it was shared in the Telegram group and in most of my social media account. In my TikTok, I've shared it. We are still moving on a consolidation pattern, and that remains valid until a breakout. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, same chart, still trading within support and resistance. All right, so let's check the chart. And where are we heading? One Bitcoin or analytics is showing, on-chain analytics is showing flashing bottom for Bitcoin. So are we hitting the possible bottom at this current zone, or are we still going to the wave 5? So let's check what is happening with the overall crypto market. Wow, we have Shams Ula. We have super chat here. 74 dirham. Thank you guys. And thanks for joining me today. Let's check some of our viewers here. Let me pull up my screen first. Oh, that's me. All right. So let's get into sequence here. We have new names here joining our stream today. We have Umar Kayani. Thanks for joining. We have Learn with Yash. All right. Thanks for joining me today. We have also Getting Started. Wow, we missed you in the VIP. How's your school going? We have also Zen Badzu joining our stream today. Philip Abdulrahman, how are you? Long time. Where have you been? What's up, Chill? How are you doing today? My man, college life is very hectic. I can't even look at the graphs, but lucky to have our live stream. Shams Ula also here, dropping by, one of our VIP legends here. Nice work, dude. Growing the community every single day. Stay chill every day. Well, winter is here. All right. So let's dive right in. What's going on with the overall crypto market? I hope you were able to catch the zone support, guys, because I have made some trades, but you need to watch the chart on your own. You need to focus, because I am here to give you update, and of course I'm here to give you the basic support, resistance, what are the confluences, what will be the entry points. But once the price dip, don't ask, just follow the chart. Not a financial advice, because usually most of us here, we'll have a chart. All right, support, resistance. When price is going to hit on this level, I'm going to take a long position. And when the price dips or hit the target, oh, are we going lower? No, I will cancel my limit order. Cancel. And then see a bounce. So that's the problem. Just follow the trade setup. The market is always right. And follow the chart. Don't get too emotional when you're trading. All right. Soon I'm going to test one indicator. It's algorithmic indicator using a private indicator that is paid. I'm just trying to implement it right now, but let's see how it goes in the coming days. For now, I'm waiting for the update. So we have here Crypto Quant. We have also CHZ here, or cheese, because of the football coming. Qatar World Cup is coming. We have also APT. We have Casper. I'm still curious. What is TON? I thought that I went to one exhibition and I thought it was Ultron, but Ultron is different. Ultron is ULX, I think, but TON I'm still not familiar. What is TON? It has been showing here for several days now. Also APE and Clay, LDO. We have also Muhammad Saeed. Bro, check Discord. I have shared my ADA long. I've shared my ADA long. All right. I will check that one later. For now, let's focus on the updates, and I'll be with you in Discord after the stream. And most of the time, I'm there giving update and updating most of the chart. Fear and greed index still on the same level. Extreme fear since last month. All right, and of course you need to check out, because usually if you're going to change this to max, usually Bitcoin hits the bottom usually at around below 11 or below 10. So right now we are still hovering on this level, hovering on this same support. Let's check also the long and short ratio here. In the past 5 minutes, we have different positions here. We have 93% long in BitFinex. We have also CoinX 78% long, 81. So mostly are in long right now in the past 5 minutes. Let's check the 15-minute time frame. Mostly are in long position. And let's check also the amount of liquidation the past 4 hours. 4 hours, 87% short has been liquidated, but the volume here is still very, very thin, $9 million. Let's check the past 24 hours. The past 24 hours, we have 71%. Long position has been liquidated. Very small move, and we have seen a lot of liquidation, but overall this is still very thin volume here, $63.69 million. We have also Blessed. I miss you all, sweet man on special mission. We'll be back in few days. Ray France. All right, we have a lot of new faces and new names joining the stream today. All right, so let's check the news first before we move on to the charts. And a quick disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right, Abdul Rahman, Shield Racing, go to his description of stream, go to be my patron. We have also Shield Racing joining. Wow, we have a lot of new names today. Give that 11 people watching only 4 likes. Hit that like, right? All right, so let's proceed with the news. And 3 historically accurate Bitcoin on-chain. We have a keyword here, accurate. So let's check if it's still accurate this time. So 3 historically accurate Bitcoin on-chain metrics are flashing bottom. Oh, are we in the bottom right now? Key Bitcoin indicator tracking its market versus fair value, as well as long-term holders' confidence hint at market bottom information. So right now, based on the on-chain metrics, we are already in the bottom. Bitcoin 19,000, currently trading at 19,000. A while ago we have seen a little bit of volatility, but overall we are still on the same level. And other riskier assets slipped on October 21 as traders scrutinized macro indicator that suggests the Federal Reserve would continue to hike rates. Nonetheless, BTC pair remains range bound inside 18,000 to 20,000 price range, showing a strong bias conflict in the market. Chill, what is nationality? You guess, and There's no price today. There's no price. But if you have seen my video yesterday about win big, just a quick advertisement, guys. Win big this November, all right? I have showed the instruction there, and one bullish news here from BITGET, by the way. And BITGET, I am one of the affiliate and key opinion leader of BITGET. So just a disclosure, BITGET is on fire right now. We have BITGET entered a partnership with the magician, the genius, La Polga, the GOAT footballer, Leo Messi, winner of a record-breaking 7 balloon or awards, right? So if you want to create an account, and also BGB right now is just going to the moon, guys. BGB is going to the moon, breaking that all-time high in the current bear market. All right, there's no other altcoin right now that moves stronger than BGB, except we have seen some pump and dump recently about APT, but BGB just continued to crash the market. Let's check, because also it's forming a double top, so we might get a correction and a possible price correction, and we might be able to accumulate more for long term. But BITGET right now, sorry for that. Let's BITGET right now, guys, is just on fire, and they have also a November or here. Where is that? Here. So win up to 109,000 USDT in prize pool bonuses this Halloween. Trick or treat, $4,000 community airdrop. All you have to do is just to click on this link. If you want to create an account, there will be a prize pool for this one. So all the information, additional details can be found here on this link. All you have to do is just to follow them on Telegram, click join the event, and that's it. You can be the lucky winner. And let's proceed with the news. Can see BGB circulating supply, 2 billion supply. So let's check the news here, guys. BTC price holding $18,000 since June. All right, so that's a very long period. June, July, August, September, October. Let's check the chart later on. As what you can see, we have here a this is the daily time frame, Bitcoin US dollar in Coinbase chart here. So we have a descending triangle pattern, and Bitcoin is about to break out to the upside, to the downside. We don't know, but once the breakout happens, it's going to be huge. So make sure you're ready to ride the waves, and don't hang on to your trades if you are in the wrong direction, because especially in futures, you will get liquidated and you will hurt your account if you are in the wrong direction once that breakout happens. During the 2018 bear market, BTC saw a max drawdown from peak through 84%, lasting 364 days. So this is what I'm pointing out last time, 364 days. And if you're going to measure this, how many days from the previous peak of 69,000 last November, we are right now approaching the 64 days this November. So last time we have hit the bottom exactly after 1 year. Bro, BTC long is short. BTC needs to decide. Let's check the chart later, but for now, let's check this news, because based on this article, it is stating that we might be already in the bottom. All right, so while 2014 cycle lasted longer, bottom after 407 days, noted Arcane Research in its weekly market report. So I think we are approaching the bottom, guys. We are approaching the bottom. Inflation and all of this war aside, just following the technical analysis and based on the previous price action, Bitcoin is already approaching the bottom. By the end of this 2022 last quarter, I think we are going to hit the bottom. We have also both bottoms were followed by unusual low volatility. So this is one as well that I kept on discussing several months now in our stream. The volume right now is very low. All right, so when you check in CoinMarketCap here, CoinMarketCap, you see the exchanges and derivatives exchange, you will see that the volume is very low actually. Is what you can see here. We have most, let's check the 24-hour volume here. We have here 39, 23, we have 5. So usually this is very low, negative 75%. Bitmart, BTCEX is number 3, BINGX, OKX. Wow, we have some new exchanges popping up here. We have also BITGET number how many? Number 10, I think here. When you check on the amount of volume, so Binance is still number 1 in the biggest volume here in derivative exchange, and in spot still Binance is the number 1, followed by Hot Chain Global. I don't know what is Hot Chain, and also MEXC is showing up here, and AAX. Wow, watch out for the new crypto partner or the next affiliate, guys, because I'm talking right now to one exchange. So there will be another exchange that will be joining the Chill Traders community. So Bitcoin as well, Bitcoin MVRV Z-score assesses Bitcoin overbought and oversold status based on its market fair value. So right now, based on this MVRV, we have discussed this before. Historically, when Bitcoin market value crosses the fair value, indicates a market top, the red zone. So this is the red zone, guys. This is usually signals the top. And conversely, it indicates a market bottom, the green zone. So this is the green zone, guys. So we are right now almost on the bottom. I think if you're going to zoom this in, so this is the market bottom, guys. We're still hovering here, and if I'm going to show you my chart right now for Bitcoin, all right, so here's my chart here. Let me zoom this out so you'll be able to see. All right, so we are on this stage right now. All right, let me remove this. I think let me just hide all the drawings. So we are here right now. We are here on this level since June 22. This support has continued to hold. If you're going to check here previously, guys, here, this was April. We have seen a crash. This was the effect of when one of the locations in China shut down the power and all the miners went offline. So this was the effect, guys. This was a huge drop, and I remember exactly the feeling. I was holding my position here, and when I woke up, my goodness, this was like, I think this was at 43,000. From 43,000, I saw the price move down to 28. My goodness, I was jogging outside, and I stopped on the side of the road looking at the price. My goodness. So this was a massive drop. Most of the miners went offline and the price just crashed from 43,000 down to 28,900 in just a single day, guys. That was a massive move. But if you're going to compare this here, You see, this was the bottom drop from this point, and this have held for almost 2 months. I remember this exactly, and I went all in at this point. $30,000, I went all in, and I have posted that on Twitter. I think Bitcoin is still in a bull market at this point. I'm going all in, so I posted that on Twitter. I went all in, $30,000, and then the rally starts. The feeling was just amazing. So right now, if you're looking at this 2 months of consolidation, and the price was able to hold the 30,000 mark. All right, so here, this is also more than 2 months, guys. This is June, July, August, September, October. That's already 4 months. Price was hovering on this level, holding the 18,000 level. So if this continues to hold, guys, this is 2 months or 4 months of consolidation, just back and forth here. We have seen a rally back to 25,000, but eventually drop back down to its current level. But the 18,000 is just holding. But also you need to remember that every time the price hits the support or resistance, it gets weaker and weaker. So this was posted a while ago. Both Ethereum and Bitcoin was posted today on my Twitter account. Let me show you, and so you'll understand what I mean. All right, so here I have already explained here. Also for Ethereum, I have explained the possible price action and the possible target for Ethereum, guys. So this was posted before the bounce. All right, so the price here was just hovering at around 1278. So Ethereum still trading inside the consolidation area, yellow box. This was the yellow box here, support and resistance 1278 and resistance 1337 for 30 days now. Invalidation upon breakout. Till then, consolidation, support and resistance remains valid. So when do you long on this position here? Basically, we have a zone support here. This remains valid, again, based on this post, only upon breakout this will be invalidated. So once you see a breakout either to the downside or to the upside, then this consolidation area will be invalidated. For now, this remains valid, and we have seen a drop today. We have seen a drop, zone support, drop, and then a very beautiful bounce. If you're trading leverage, guys, this move is already a huge move. If you're trading 50x, 100x leverage, this is already around 500% from this low here, 1250. And also, I have posted the update in our Discord, VIP Discord group today. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the altcoins there. I posted some updates, especially for Ethereum. 1255, 1222, I think 1222. I'll show you later. Discord here is quite slow, but after this news, based on this news or based on this article right now, MVRVZ score is almost hitting the bottom here, and usually we might see a little bit of drop below the green line here before we bounce back up. But overall, we are already on the bottom zone. So here, again, going back to Bitcoin, guys, I have here my possible wave 5 target, and I will remain, I'm going to stick with my plan here. So this is, if you're going to zoom this out, I have Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 will be the last wave before we see a bounce or a possible short-term rally for about 1 year. After 1 year, we'll see a huge drop, then continue to the next bull market. For now, we are still waiting. We are still on this level here, waiting for possible wave 5 long term. But for now, we might see a small bounce along the way. Overall, I think Bitcoin is already If you're accumulating for long term, I have already started to DCA at 18,500 is my current average. If we're going lower, then I will continue to DCA. For long term, it doesn't matter. I think Bitcoin is going to go back up. Doesn't matter if it goes back to 40,000 or 50,000 or 60,000. That is still a very good profit for me for long term. 2x, 3x in 2 to 3 years. That's very, very good compared to any other banks there. You put your money in a bank, you can get small as 1 to 2%, 1 to 3%. Maximum time deposit, you will not be able to get your money in time. But for Bitcoin, not a financial advice, for Bitcoin, 2x to 3x, 5x is a bonus, but 2x to 3x, I'm already very happy with that. Plus, I have some small altcoin and micro caps that could turn 50x, 100x, 10x, and that's huge. I'm also holding Ethereum, Polkadot. I'm very bullish on Polkadot. BGB, watch out for BGB and BitGet, guys. I think BitGet is going to be the next futures exchange or derivatives exchange. Drag and drop feature, they are the first. And if you're going to add some more features in the future, I'm talking to one of the business development manager of BitGet, and they have a lot of plan in the future. I'm not shilling it, I'm just sharing with you my personal opinion. All right, so for Bitcoin, guys, this is going to break out soon. This is going to break out. That's what you can see. We have here a support and a resistance trend line, and the price is just hovering here. See the previous price action here? I have my resistance, green line, horizontal resistance in confluence. Look at that confluence, guys. Confluence. Look at that confluence. So I have here the resistance trend line in confluence with the horizontal trend line. Price got rejected. Drop back to zone key support, key level support. Then we have seen a bounce. Right now the price is just retesting that resistance trend line. So in the coming days, this is just going to make a decision, guys. There's no other way. It's either going to break out here, or we might drop down to retest this major support area. So watch out in the coming days. 1, 2, 3 to 4 days, or a week minimum, or maximum 1 week. This is going to break out. So watch out and be ready. Make sure that you are on the right direction. All right. So for now, Bitcoin is still trading in between this key level support and resistance trend line. Once we break out, possible plays. So right now, this one here will change because the price is hovering here. So possible price action, breakout, resistance here, retest of support. So possible retest up to this point here. And let's check if the price will be able to break this green line here or this key level support. For now, this two price action remains the same. So that's for Bitcoin. Let's proceed with Ethereum. Let me know if you have any chart requests. I'll check it out before we end the stream. We'll focus first on the major cryptos and the market movers that most of the altcoin are following. So Bitcoin and Ethereum. S&P 500. Let's move on to Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum, same with Bitcoin, similar with Bitcoin. This is still moving in a consolidation or sideways channel here, this yellow box area. So we have the support at 126 or 1250 area, up to zone support up to 1230. So this is the zone support, and what you can see today, we have seen a drop to zone support and then a quick bounce means that we have a buying pressure. We still have that buying pressure in this level. Every time the price breaks down, we can see a bounce immediately because we have a buying pressure on this area. So let's check if Ethereum will be able to sustain or retest that resistance line one more time. So Ethereum has been moving on this channel here, sideways channel. Let's check if Ethereum will be able to bring that price back to 1336. I'm still holding my long position. I made a quick short a while ago, and right now I'm still holding my long position for Ethereum. My entry point was around 1214 area. All right, so that's my this was my previous entry point, 1214 for Ethereum. So this remains valid until a breakout. So for now, you can still make a long position every time the price hits this zone support here, and a possible short near the resistance or the red line at 1340 area. Same chart for almost 1 month. 1 month of consolidation. So just in case we break out, guys, now this is the resistance is going lower and lower here. We have here the zone resistance and also the resistance trend line. So confluence at around this area 1420, and breakout to the downside. Next major support will be at around 1000 level, 950 to 1000 level. We have also Prince joining us today. Wow, we have our high risk trader. Fortune favors the bold. That's the motto of Prince. Is that correct, Prince? Fortune favors the bold, or fortune favors the brave. So again, I think I've already shared the update here in our VIP here. I'm gonna share with you what's inside the VIP, guys. Here, a while ago, I have posted an update for Ethereum. So let's check. The best Prince Gupta. So again here, if you're focusing on my update in our VIP Discord, I have posted before the drop, guys, before the drop. I have posted this today at 4:42 p.m. my time, local time here in UAE. This remains valid except for the stop loss gets riskier because of the previous CPI report at 1150. So this is what I'm talking about. The stop loss here gets riskier because of this wick. So there is a possibility that we might get a wick up to this level here, 1150 area. So if you want to set safer stop loss, ideally you would put it or place it just exactly below the last candle wick on the left. So that's a little bit of high risk here if you're going to follow that rule, because the stop loss should be at around 1150, 1170 area. But overall, this was the call today. This remains valid except the stop loss gets riskier because of the previous CPI report, 1150 area. So here's the VIP call that I have said remains valid. Enter a long position, not a financial advice to those who are watching right now, because I'm posting updates. So long position at 1220 up to 1255. So this was a perfect long position entry, and we have our TP points here. TP1 1280, 1295, and 1305. TP1, 2, and 3 was hit today. So congratulations to all the VIPs who have entered this trade, and to those who are on Twitter, who is following my post here on Twitter. So the same chart was shared on my Twitter account today. And let's move on to the next chart. Same chart for Ethereum. I think I've already shared the update on our VIP Discord a while ago here. Yeah, so same chart for Ethereum. Bitcoin, same chart. We got the very good bounce from the key level support. This remains valid again, guys, until a breakout happen. So make sure you set your stop loss. Let's check BGB, by the way. Let's check BGB. So here, one post. I have been posting about BGB long time. I need to check if I have tweeted about it, but I have discussed it on my previous stream, and I'm still bullish about BGB long term because there are a lot of money flowing right now in BitGet, guys. They're investing, they're developing the app, they're developing the I love the app. Drag and drop feature, you should try it. So one tweet last August for, how do I maximize this? All right, so let's just make this big. So this was my tweet last August for 2022. Biggest futures or BitGet futures trade, DCA and scalp trades. BGB token with great potential in my own opinion, with the money sign right there. Drag and drop feature is the best. Sign up below. So this was the tweet last August when the price was hovering at around this area here. And right now, the price is just unstoppable, guys. We have seen a price V-shaped recovery here, V-shaped recovery, and BGB just breaking that previous all-time high today, But of course, right now, if you're holding BGB from this point here, it's already 100% profit. So you have already made 2x your initial capital. And right now, this is looking like a double top. So let's watch out. If this continues to move up, break out, retest the support, then continue its move to the upside, or this could be a double top here. Double top. Then price might continue to move down here and revisit the previous support. And this time we can reaccumulate for long term. I'm gonna share with you when I'm reaccumulating BGB. I have accumulated BGB before because it is a one of the requirements, or if you want to earn higher what do you call that, higher return in BitGet, you need to hold specific BGB. Check out that article about BGB. The more you hold, there is a lot of you can do about BGB. Holding BGB, you can join like the startup projects in BitGet, and you can also do like savings for long term. There is a lot of use case for BGB, shall I say. So Dixie here, we have seen a drop back to 38.2. So we have seen a lot of volatility today about US dollar currency index here. So right now, this is hovering at around 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. And we have Gamer watching the stream. We have also Maita Martina. Please check Matic. We have also Felix. Wow, we have a lot of new names here. What's up, Chill? Long time. Yeah, it's been a very long time. So, looking at the US dollar index today. US dollar index hovering here at 38.2 level. So this is our Fibonacci retracement level. If this support will hold, then we might see a possible bounce to the upside. But if the daily candle closed today below this 38.2, then a possible drop here and a revisit of the previous support trend line. Then if that is going to happen, we might see a beautiful small rally, not only for Bitcoin but the rest of the riskier asset, because you know the correlation of BTCEX, or the US dollar index, and the riskier asset. If US dollar index or BTCEX goes up, the riskier asset goes down, and the other way around. So if this goes down, then there is a possibility that Bitcoin might pump and Ethereum would follow, and the rest of the altcoin will just go to the moon. But here, yesterday I discussed about the parabola for US dollar index, or BTCEX. So long term, we have a parabola here, this one. Long term, we have a parabola. I cannot, because it's going to erase my indicators here. But if you can see, if you're going to check this chart, we have a parabola here. This one, we have a parabola. Or let me just delete my drawing. And all right, let me delete it so I can explain it better. So we have here a parabola, guys. All right, this one. And let me actually use an accurate arc or a curve. So we have a parabola. All right. So we have a parabola here. A very nice parabola. And right now, if you're going to check, the price is about to break this support, and if that is going to happen, we might see a very beautiful bounce and breakout from that resistance trend line here in Bitcoin, and also same with Ethereum and the rest of the altcoin. So what do you think is going to happen? Is this BTCEX going to continue to hold the support or the parabola? So two possible price action here. We might get a bounce from this. This is the Fibonacci 38.2 level a while ago. So again, this is the 38.2 Fibonacci level. We could get a possible bounce and a continuation of trend like this, or a breakout to the downside. Next support is going to be at this level if we're going to see a breakout. So that is a huge move, guys. That is a huge move. Let me just restore my chart here so we have reference. So that is a huge move if BTCEX is going to break out below that parabola line. So let's watch out for this 38.2 daily candle close. This is going to be very important. And let's check here if we have some. Also, looks like we have a symmetrical triangle here. Possible breakout. Let's check if this is. Let's continue to watch the market closely in the coming days. All right. Tomorrow, BTC 60,000, then mega drop to zero. All right, guys, so I think that's it for today. We have seen the update for Polkadot is trading below the support right now, guys. Trading below the support. So be careful with Polkadot here. Looks like this have already broke out of its support here. This was the previous long entry point here. We have 8% move from this blue line. And right now, we have seen a breakout. This is a confirmed breakout to the downside, is what you can see. Just big red flashing candle below that support. So this looks like a bearish scenario to me. And also, if you're going to check the MACD, look at that blue line just crossing below the orange line here. And stochastic RSI in the daily time frame still looking very weak, approaching that oversold area. A good pump soon. All right, guys, so I think that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Watch out for that possible drop here. Let's check if the support will continue to hold for DXY. Nonetheless, Bitcoin and Ethereum is still trading in between that support and resistance. So in the coming weeks, or in the coming days and weeks, this is going to be very exciting. So let's continue to watch out for that. And Polkadot CEO resigned. What's his name? Gavin Wood. Haven't heard of that news, but let's check. Maybe that's the reason why Polkadot is dipping down below $6. All right, so thanks for joining me, guys. And again, thanks to the super chat of Shams Ula. Well, we need to have that party music. Shams Ula, thanks for that 74 dirham super chat today. This is for you, my man. All that scratch and lace up. Trade safely. Protect your assets at all times. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.